Hello viewers, here is my, let's see what year this is, 2013 to 2014 Lasko Weather Shield Box Fan. This I believe is model 3720, and this is the one that I use upstairs in the bedroom window typically. And this has been a good fan. I've had this for several years. It's got a lot of hours on it. I really need to get it cleaned. But that's not what we're going to do today. Today this thing has experienced its first failure, and that would be within the handle. I was moving it across the room today and this just kind of quit. I was kind of mad too because I was carrying it very slowly and nicely, and you know, sometimes stuff breaks and you kind of deserve it. You know, if I was whipping this thing around out of the window or something or whatever, it broke. But no, this just broke for no good reason. So I have some ideas on how to fix this. I'm going to remove that first and then pull this over and it should come off. Or so I thought. Why is this not wanting to come? Alright, there we go. So I guess what happened is, where is it? This little tab on the other side broke, and that's all that holds the weight, is that little piece of plastic. Now this has got like an oil on it or something. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I don't know if that deteriorated the integrity of the plastic sooner than it should have, or if that had nothing to do with it. I know these handles in general are prone to breaking, so I'm not terribly surprised that this happened, but still annoying nonetheless. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill 2 holes into this handle and 2 holes into here. I'm going to feed a tie wrap through each of the holes and fix it that way. I think that's the most tasteful way I can fix it. So let's begin. I'm going to start with the holes in the cabinet because I think that's going to be a little bit more difficult. I'm going to use a broken drill bit just because that's what was easy to get to. And I'm going to attempt to use the cordless drill, but this may or may not work because I just plugged it up and it hasn't had a whole lot of time to charge. So we'll see how far I can get with this decrepit equipment, and then I'll have to break out real equipment if needed. Yeah, I gotta get real equipment out. Okay, here's a more substantial drill and a non-broken bit. This, I suspect, will be a powerful demonstration of the difference between having the right tools and not having the right tools. Okay, I guess not. Alright, take 3. And actually, before we do that, I want to remove the blade because I'm concerned the bit's going to fall through and break the blade, and that's the last thing we need here, because that's not an easy thing to fix. Okay, and we'll do another one just to the left of it. Okay, and that was a good demonstration of having the right tools. So that's what we've got now. And then I'm going to come over to the handle here. And this is going to be a little bit more difficult. but we're going to create 2 matching holes into the handle. Don't drill toward yourself, it's very dangerous. I'm going to do it here anyways. Okay, so that's all the holes drilled. So now what we're going to do is, I think this is going to work very well. I want to file this down so that it's not jagged there. If I ever give somebody this fan to use, I don't want them to get cut. Alright, that's pretty good. And now the tie wraps. Zoom this in here. Tie wraps I'm going to feed let's see, what's the best way to do this here? I'm going to feed this up through here. Oh, that's very sharp in there. I got to make sure it doesn't cut the tie wrap. You know what? I'm gonna fix that. That's extremely sharp. There, that should be better. Oh, you know what? This will give you a better view on the video. Put it like that. So what? Actually, you know what? Maybe can I get it from the inside? Yeah, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this tie wrap up in here like this. I'm going to feed this one as well. And then both of these are going to go through the holes that I've drilled into the handle. Which is proving to be more difficult than I think it should be. Okay. And then I'm going to feed these back in here, and that will hold pretty well. Now I have to get the other side on first, like that, and I want to put this on just so that we know it's in the right position. I see a problem. We have to drill 2 more holes, because what's happening is even just that little space there that the tie wraps are creating going through that square hole is causing the handle to move to the left a little bit, which is causing it to lift up on this side. So it can't do that. So I'm going to have to drill 2 new holes. This is so difficult to get off of there. I'm going to have to drill 2 new holes just to the left of the opening there, which is not a big deal. I'm going to try to go as close as I can. that should do it. I don't know why there's like oil all inside this cabinet. I've never oiled this fan, so that would just be a manufacturer goof up of putting too much oil in the motor. Which I guess is better than too little oil, which is what we usually see nowadays. Alright, so let's try this again. It's all dirty up here now. Yeah, I think that'll be fine this time. Here we go again. Okay, so again we're going to feed this through here like this. Oh, the other holes are all sharp and dangerous, so better fix that. Feed those back in there, and then I'm going to make sure that the handle is in the right place, which it now is. Well, it still seems to want to pull to the left for some reason. I'm not really sure why it's doing that. Not really sure how to fix that either. You may just have to live with it like that. It should be like this. For some reason it's wanting to perhaps if I make it tight enough it won't do that anymore. So I'm going to begin to tighten the things here. Hope there's enough slack. It's going to be cutting it close. Oh man, there may not be enough slack. Oh good, there's just enough slack. Alright, so I'm going to move this to where it should be. And maybe this will help keep it in place. That's where it should be, is like that. And now let's tighten this down. Whoa. Okay. So that just broke. That's not very durable. Well, I think that'll be okay. It's sturdy enough. Oh man, that sliced my finger open. I have to take a medical intermission here. And we're back. So I'm going to trim off the excess from the other one that didn't break. And it's not as great as I thought it was going to be. It's a little bit creaky, but it works. The dial turns just fine still. And now I can carry it around again, so I think that was successful. Let's put the blade back on. And the guard. That'll suffice. Let's give it a test. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work, but stranger things have happened. I'd rather find out now than when I want to use it. This thing's not sounding too good anymore. That noise goes away after a few minutes, so I don't know what it is. And it still works, and now it can be carried once again.